the configuration, R or S, of the chiral centers. Now we're going to use Fisher projections, which are a little more challenging. You know, as they're coming out to the side, they're actually coming toward you, right? Remember that? Right? Which makes it a challenge. These are boogers. All right, there's probably a really good and easy way to do this, and I don't know it. I guess we could say that the lowest priority group is coming out toward us, and so that's a problem. We could say, we could name this, and then say it's just the opposite of what we named. Let's do that. So here's one. It's a carbon, and here's an oxygen, and here's a carbon. Right? These are the three groups here. I think I'm supposed to name that chiral center. No, that's got 2 hydrogens on it, so I don't have to worry about that. But here's my 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. And I got my 4th, which is my low priority one, which is just a hydrogen. All right, so let's assign these. This is an oxygen. That's first. That's going to be number 1. This is bonded to an oxygen, but this has got 2 bonds to an oxygen. This is going to be number 2, and this is going to be 3. Okay, so it looks like we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and this is counterclockwise. This is S. I've done it counterclockwise, which is S, but remember the hydrogen was out front. So I'm like, I think it's S, but no, the hydrogen was out front, so it must be R. Uh-oh, all the chiral centers. Okay, so there's more than one here. Let's do the first one. I'll do it, and then I'll erase all of this stuff that I've made, okay? So here's the first one, and this is coming out toward us. So whatever I do, it's gonna have to go, I'm gonna have to switch it, because that's supposed to go in the back. So let's come here, and we'll say, here's one group, here's another group, and here's another group, right? And this is a carbon, that's an oxygen, and here's a carbon. So oxygen's number 1. And here's one with 3 bonds to an oxygen. That's one with only 1 bond to an oxygen. This is number 2. And this is 3. And so it's like that. So that is R. But remember the hydrogen was in front, so we got to switch it to S. Okay, let me get rid of all this so I can make notes. That top one is S. That one right there is S. Now let's go to this one. This is, again, the hydrogen's out front. So whatever I do, I got to switch it in the end. Here's a carbon. Let's do our groups with greens. Carbon. A carbon with an oxygen to it. And another carbon with another oxygen to it. But lots of other things too. Right? So carbon with hydrogens, this is definitely number 1. It's because this is a carbon with a hydrogen with an oxygen bonded to it, but lots of other things. Here's one with an oxygen but nothing else. 2, and then a methyl group 3. So this is going to go 1, 2, 3, which is counterclockwise, which is S, but the hydrogen was out front, so I got to change that to R. All right, wow, that's a beast.